Ask any Marylander what we're famous for. And what do you think it is? Crabs and Old Bay seasoning. The favorite in the Von Regan house, and we buy this in the jugs, as you can see. I am Teresa Von Regan, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm a native Maryland girl, and I'm a self-proclaimed expert on crab cakes. Really, anything crab. Before we move on, check out the link in the description below for a sneak peek of my next crab recipe. We're gonna start off by dumping our crab meat in a large bowl. Then we're gonna combine all ingredients. 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1½ teaspoons of Old Bay, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1/2 cup of panko. Now that your ingredients are poured in, stir gently with a fork and spoon, just enough to mix. Mix, but not too much, because you don't want to break up that juicy lump crab meat. Now it's time to make the patties. My technique is to use a 1/3 measuring cup to scoop out the crab meat mixture. Then I form it into my hands into a patty, tightening around the edges like so. The final step is to fry these Krabby Patties. You're going to take a large skillet, 3 tablespoons of olive oil or avocado oil, use medium to medium-high heat, and cook 3 to 4 minutes until brown on each side. My pro tip for these juicy crab cakes is you don't want to overcook them. You want to lightly brown them on both sides, because when you overcook them, they risk the chance of crumbling. And no one likes a crumbly crab cake. These are my completed Maryland lump crab cakes. You will want to try these. They are amazing, and I can't wait to dig in. But don't forget, they're best served with the roasted red pepper homemade aioli sauce. Now for the good part, taste testing. My kids are chomping at the bit and drooling and ready to try these Maryland crab cakes. To see more videos like this, don't forget to like and smash that subscribe. Bye for now, fam.